Hello everyone, myself Deepak. Today in this video we will discuss about the things after passing FMG. I mean the processes after passing the FMG. So the students who scored from 150 to 300, everyone will get their scorecard and pass certificate. You will receive your scorecard within 1 week and pass certificate within 30 to 45 days. Within 3 to 4 days, you will be able to download your scorecard from the official NBE site, and within 1 to 2 weeks you will receive a notification from NBE, official notification from NBE, to download your appointment letter on the official side of NBE for your pass certificate. And they will give you a date, particular date on which you have to visit in person to NBE New Delhi, and you will receive your pass certificate. The documents you need to carry with you are original documents, original passport, any one valid ID like Aadhaar card, and along with that you need your original degree and original TOR or mark sheet, and which must be apostilled by Indian Embassy or any DFA like Department of Foreign Affairs. And along with that, in case you don't have original degree, I mean you wrote the exam during your internship, so need your original provisional certificate which must be apostilled by Indian Embassy of the country from where you graduated, or it must be apostilled by DFA, Department of Foreign Affairs. You have to go strictly on a time which is mentioned in your appointment letter. When you will visit NB office Dwarka, they will ask you some questions for time pass, like from where did you completed your course, from which college you graduated, why only from that particular college or country you studied, which coaching you choose for FMG exam, for preparation of FMG exam, in which attempt you passed the exam, it was your first attempt, second attempt, third attempt. They just ask 7 to 8, 10, they ask many questions, just for time pass. And after that they will see your all the original documents and they will give you your pass certificate. And some students are in confusion that they don't have original degree during that time, but they have provisional. If you have provisional also, it's okay, you will get your pass certificate from your provisional also. Next step, how to join internship in any NMC recognized hospital after passing FMG. So this thing depend on from you belong from which state. This is different for every state. The rules and regulations are different everywhere. Like in Rajasthan, you need NOC from the hospital where you want to join. After that, you need a NOC from Rajasthan University, RUHS, Rajasthan University of Health and Sciences. After that, you can apply online for RMC registration and you can visit there in person. After submitting your original documents, they issue your provisional certificate of RMC within 2 to 3 months. But you can join internship instantly after submitting your original documents. You can apply from scorecard also. No need to wait for pass. While in Delhi, the thing is completely different. The process is completely different. You need provisional registration of DMC, Delhi Medical Council, to apply in any hospital. For DMC, you need to fill the form by visiting the DMC official site. After filling the form, they will call you like within 1 to 2 weeks for the verification of all the documents. After verification of documents, within 2 to 3 weeks, they issue your provisional registration. After getting provisional, you can apply in any government or private hospital, but it must be NMC or MCI recognized. Before joining any hospital in Delhi, you have to pass an interview. You have to wait which hospital have vacancy now and which hospital will have vacancy after 1 month. And if you notice there is no any vacancies during this month or next month, so till 2 months you can join PSM in any CSC community health center. After completing your 2 months PSM program, you will find, I think you will definitely find any hospital or vacancies in any government hospital. For provisional registration in Delhi Medical Councils, the student who don't have their original degree and many students who wrote the exam with internship can use their provisional certificate, original provisional certificate, which must be apostilled by Indian Embassy or DF. There are videos available on YouTube for every state how to join internship, so you can watch that videos also. That will definitely help you.